Look what I got! Beautiful, organic, wheat straw, square bales. Oh, you know what I can do with this? There's 9 total here. They were $6 a bundle, and I did pay $15 to have them shipped because I wasn't going to deal with negotiating with people to go get my stuff. I ain't gonna wait. This is gonna fix my problem. This is going down as mulch in my tomatoes and peppers, so I don't have to look at all the grass anymore. It's gonna provide organic matter to break down. It's gonna provide shaded root zone areas. It's gonna keep the water from splashing back up on the plants. This is amazing, but here's the best part. I watched this grow. It was literally grown in a field that I can see from where I'm sitting right now to the west, 2 fields over. I've watched that it was truly organic. I watched them harvest the wheat. I watched them cut the straw and bale it. I am so excited to be able to have access to this year because last year they grew it for the organic strawberry farm, which we've toured and I've showed little shorts about it on the channel. You can go check it out if you want to see what a strawberry you-pick farm looks like. I am so happy. I don't know if I bought enough. We're going to make a priority list on the gardens that I think this needs this the most. But we do need to work smarter, not harder. So even though I'm super excited and ecstatic to have this project going, I need to work in the shade. I need to follow the shade lines on where I'm working because it's 95 plus degrees in Minnesota right now. There's wildfire smoke coming in at different times. There's a foggy haziness and it's not okay to be outside long periods of time or in the heat of the day. So this is gonna take a couple days to finish. I hear some kind of bird. Sorry, distracted. I love nature. Skies are blue today, which I appreciate a good cloud cover, I tell you what. And so if you want to see how this is implemented and what the gardens are going to look like before and after, make sure you are subscribed. Grow every day in every way, and I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, there's the birds.